If you've ever ordered an old-fashioned in Wisconsin and got something that tasted like it came from a college bar, this video is for you. At Ripsaw Saloon, we do it the Northwoods way, and it starts with maple syrup. Wisconsin old-fashions are different from anywhere else. First, we use brandy instead of whiskey. Korbel is the gold standard up here. Second, we use real muddled fruit, not just a garnish. And third, instead of plain sugar, we use real maple syrup. This isn't a cocktail you rush, it's a ritual. What you'll need: 2 ounces of Korbel brandy, half an ounce of real maple syrup, 2 to 3 dashes of Angostura bitters, an orange slice, and a maraschino cherry, a large ice cube, and optionally a splash of 7-Up. Here's how to build it. Step 1. Muddle the orange slice and cherry with the maple syrup and bitters. Step 2. Add 2 ounces of Korbel brandy. Step 3. Drop in a large ice cube. Step 4. Stir for 20 to 30 seconds until properly chilled. Step 5. Add a splash of 7-Up if you like it a little brighter. Step 6. Garnish with a fresh orange peel and cherry. A pro tip from the bar: why maple syrup? It adds a depth that sugar just can't match. Pure Wisconsin. Want to try the real thing? Come see us at Ripsaw Saloon in Prentice, Wisconsin. Full recipe and more Northwoods drinks at Baracho's Bar. Subscribe for more.